just poop. What do you think's gonna happen to that poop?
It's gonna go away.
When?
I don't know, in a year or two?
You know what happens when you leave animal waste on the ground and it rains? The rain washes the animal poop, and the animal poop has nutrients like nitrate and phosphates, and when those get into the water, they cause increased algae growth. And when those algae die, they use up the dissolved oxygen, and then fishes can't breathe, and they start dying. And when fishes start dying, that affects everyone. Us, organisms that eat fish like birds and bears and wild cats. Do not let our ponds turn into green waste. Pick up that dog poop. And you know what you do that with? Take this bag and pick it up.
Okay then. I got it. There we go.
And then you throw it in the garbage.
All right.
Not on the ground.
Not on the ground.